Hey chat, how's it going? This is Scott.
W's in the chat.
This is John.
Chat, what are we saying?
This is just normal.
Oh, chat. You got Korean in the house.
Yeah. Oh, I know what he's doing though. But yeah, this is normal. You know, Hawaii. You know the vibes.
Why he's not matching?
You know, it's not normal for him. It's normal for us.
They are old generation, I'm the new generation.
Okay.
Y2K.
Y2K.
Shut up.
Right. Look at this camera. Currently, it's day 2 now where I'm in the store, packing everything up. I'm alone right now in the store because I decided to come early. Because I've been sleeping so early. Like yesterday, the reason I didn't talk much at all is because as soon as I got home, ate food, I knocked out around 8 p.m. I was just so tired. And I think it's because I'm still sick. That's why I just knocked out. Woke up 4 a.m., did some editing online, released a new video. Hopefully I saw it. And then got ready and I got here around 7. So yeah, I don't really show much of this my work back then because I didn't think I was allowed to because I don't want to get fired. But now it's a different case. Anyway, we did a lot of packing orders or packing shipments already yesterday. The team did great. Today is just more of that, but my team is a lot smaller today. But yeah, it's good. It's a very sad moment because I've been in the store for 5 years and I actually opened it too. So because of that, it's just very nostalgic and it brings back memories. And it's very rare that someone that opened the store is the one that gets to close it too. Ooh, an email has started. So yeah, I think over the next few days it's gonna be a lot of pretty emotional. Like, I gave a lot for this store. Again, I'm not mad at the company. The company's great. They took care of us during the pandemic. They given me a lot of learning experiences. I learned a lot. The company's not to blame for this closure. It's just that mall was kind of greedy, let's be honest. So yeah, never against the company, great company to work for. Will I continue to work for them? I don't know. Hopefully there's a job opening one day. But yeah, today we're packing. But right now, currently, I'm going to move all the boxes that we did pack yesterday closer to the back door so that when they pick it up, it's a lot easier and a lot less lifting. So the only thing I don't like about this bag that I've been using every day almost is that the fact that it's really big, there's lots of pockets, it's really good. It's just that when I have a lot of stuff and it's really full, I have to pull the drawstring, which is fine to close out the bag. But then what I don't like is that at that point when it happens, it's all clumped up like this, and the drawstring is really long and it touches the ground sometimes. That's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, I've been using this bag almost every day because I like the length. It's good length. Hugs my hip really well, and I like the fact that there's a pocket on the side here for easy access to keys, phone, all that stuff. But the downside is the fact that you just fold it, it's not really secure. But with this one, it has a zipper. So I'm gonna quickly adjust it. I think the length is about the same as that bag. So I'm gonna quickly adjust it to see how long it can really be. So it'll be right back. So it turns out this bag, the new one, the strap can be a lot longer than the messenger bag one. So that's not messenger, the drawstring one. It's actually reaching pretty down to my hip, which is pretty awesome. So I love it already. And I love the fact that there's multiple pockets. It's a good bag for traveling, definitely. But also, if there's compartments for your laptop and iPad, so it's meant for school too, if you don't carry a lot. So love this bag. It comes in a green color, but I'm pretty sure Uniqlo's going to come up with more colors eventually because this bag's going to be quite popular. Like, as much as I love this drawstring one, the only flaw is the fact that when I close it completely, the drawstring's really long. But now I have options. I keep looking down here. This is look up here, which is weird because I'm always good with vlogging. So yeah, very happy with my purchase today. I don't know if I'll use it yet. I might start using it next week, but knowing me, I'll probably use it tomorrow. Tomorrow again, I'm just gonna go to work, but then I'm meeting some of the other my colleagues. They wanted to go out for dinner as like a last thank you, James, or oh, it was great working with you kind of vibe. So it'll be a lot of fun. I haven't really had a sit down dinner with them proper, but to be fair, we have our district meetings, and we go out for dinner. So technically, I've had dinner with them, but I don't think we'll talk about work as much. I highly doubt it. So we'll see. But I'm hoping tomorrow's not going to be too crazy, because then I'm a little tired during dinner, and that's not going to look so good. But anyway, I am probably going to brush my teeth right now and now head to bed. One thing is that I think I'm feeling a lot better, because I haven't been coughing like crazy like the last few days. So I'm definitely feeling better despite me not getting enough sleep. But I think the last 2 days I've been just knocked out. I think that actually helped my sleep. Apologies, I did not vlog the last 2 days, but nothing really happened. I was in here. But basically, woke up, took a shower, came here for like 8 to 10 hours, went home, knocked out. So that's been it's been a great, crazy week of events. Today is day 5 of the day 5 of the pickup. Anyway, today is day 5 of the pack up of the store. I am alone in the store until probably 3 p.m. Teja's coming in to do the rest of the packing for me, or scanning out the products. But I'm alone for the moment because Zion actually's last day was yesterday. He packed up what he could. He did a lot of the work already, and then he's on his my phone's going off. But right now he's probably on a flight back to Korea. He's on his vacation that he was always had planned. So really sad to say goodbye to Zion. It's gonna be very interesting not to see Zion every day, because I'm so used to seeing Zion almost every day. So it's gonna be interesting. But yeah, he's on his vacation. He'll be back at the end of this month. I still don't know what I'm doing. So if you're wondering, I don't know. My 100% my focus is going into finish packing up the store. Look at all these boxes. Crazy amount. I think there were 9,000, almost 10,000 units of merchandise in my store. So that's why it took so long. Fortunately, you got some good staff. But yeah, I'm tired. But today is going to be the last very labor extensive but packing, and then tomorrow's just clean up, and I'm probably only going to be in here for 2 hours tomorrow, and then I have Sunday off actually, and then Monday, Tuesday, last 2 days. Monday's more of a waiting game. I'm probably just sitting here on Monday waiting for people to pick up packages, and then I leave as soon as that happens. But yeah, interesting day. Today was the last day I'm probably going to see majority of my staff at the store. Today I went in basically for 2-3 hours just with the staff to do a big cleanup, like cleaning out the bathroom, making sure all the other office supplies and other knickknacks were taken care of. So we all went in, and it was probably the last time to see 90% of them. So that way it was a good chance to see everybody and say goodbye. It's very, very sad. No, the newer associates, I'm not going to miss them as much. Not that I'm not going to miss them, I'm going to miss them, but I purposely didn't build too many connections or get too close with all the new staff I hired over the last 3 times I hired, because I find it really hard for myself to quit when I built so many connections. And that's why I stayed with Vans for so long, is because I built so many connections. It was so hard to leave. I want to make sure all my staff left before I left. But if I kept building relationships and building such good connections, it's hard for me to leave. So that's why I'm not cold or being mean to them. I just made sure I was not that close. I didn't get so close on a personal level. Still friendly, but I didn't, dive deep. So yeah, very sad day. But I'm going to see at least 75% and 100% of them when we do hang out sometimes, because I see them on a regular basis anyway. So it's just sad that I don't see them in that work setting anymore, where after I know that I'll catch up with them once in a while at work, but I won't have that privilege anymore because the store's closed. But yeah, today was one of the final days for the closing stuff, because tomorrow I'm off. There's no reason for me to go in. And then Monday, I need to go in just so that Pure Lily comes pick up the rest of the stock. Tuesday, I'm just going in, waiting for the IT team to pack up the computers and all the registers and all that stuff. And then I hand over the keys. So that's why I really count technically today as the final day, because most of the staff is there. Plus, the only real work was to the last day was today. So yeah. But then I finished around noon. Had some lunch and came home, and my apartment is a gigantic mess because I haven't had a day off since the closure of the store. So it's just been work. I'm at 55 hours this week. So when I come home, you guys already mentioned this, I wake up, shower, go to work, come back, I am extremely tired, and I knock out within the hour. So you can imagine the state of my house, my apartment. There's laundry everywhere. There's garbage everywhere. The kitchen's relatively clean because I haven't had time to cook because I don't have any groceries at home. So it's not many dishes, it's just cups. But there's a lot of garbage from like takeout stuff. And I have a lot of stuff that I brought back home from the store, like hangers. I have toilet paper that lasts me for years and all that stuff. A lot of cleaning supplies that I took. I'm probably going to take another good look on Monday to see what else I can take. I might take some more hangers. So we'll see. But yeah, this is a gigantic mess. But I figured, it's just a few more days. And then once everything is done with the store, I'm officially unemployed, I'm going to put in some effort to clean the house. In fact, I'm going to start making a to-do list because I'm going to be unemployed and then I'm not going to have much to do. I started looking for jobs. So I'm going to make sure I have tasks to do every day to keep myself and keep my brain functioning properly. One of them will be clean the house. What else I like to do? I want to clean out certain areas that I always neglected or pushed back because I didn't have time. I don't have an excuse anymore. So yeah. Now I did do some rearrangement today. I was gonna hold off on it, but it's just a big piece in my apartment taking up space and making the mess worse. I decided to do it now. So I'll just show you real quick. One of the things I brought back was this nice rolling rack thing that's made of like metal. It's very sturdy. And no one claimed it. There was like 6 of them in the store, so I took one of them. My mom took 2 of them, and some staff took the other ones. Basically, it's a nice rack. If you noticed, my Lego table is gone. I had to move it. And I moved my laundry from over there to over here now. So this is all clothing. And the Lego table used to be here, but I moved it somewhere else, which I'll show you in just a minute. But yeah, that's not more roomier because there's no much clunk, and then all the clothing related stuff is here. I'm iffy about having my dirty laundry near clean laundry, but I haven't decided what to put here. Probably jackets and other things, but I'll have to decide. But I need it in a rack. And then here is more spacious now because there's no more laundry block in the way, so that's great. I don't know, maybe I'll put like a small little table here in the future. I don't know. I might just keep this open. I'm not sure yet. I might get another chair to put here, like a beanbag chair. That's a good idea. So, possibilities. But space is returned. So the Lego table is now outside in my living room. It's right here now. I realized I had this nice spot and it fits perfectly here to the other end. That's just
meant to be. So yeah, that's what my Lego table is now. Did not plan that because I was planning on moving my Lego table like down and then put my rolling rack, but then I'm like, it's so clustered. I didn't look right, so I'm glad it worked out. And I had contemplated moving my Lego table here, but it's just really crowded, so it just didn't work. So it actually worked out again. Me not taking measurements as usual hasn't worked out. Okay. All right. I'm probably gonna head to bed now because I'm really tired. Head to bed. I guess you can say this is my last week of work. Next week is when I am completely unemployed. So that's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be a very interesting few months now. Hopefully I get a job soon. If you watched my Thinking Out Loud, I am a little bit nervous and anxious about this, but you know what? In some sense, it's also a good thing. It lets me explore. I'm not gonna rant about this again. So yeah, anyway. I'm gonna head to bed, so I guess I'm gonna end the week here. Sorry if I cut a few days, but there was nothing going on. It was just me cleaning out the store. Hopefully next week's a little better, but no promises, because I don't know what's gonna be happening next week anyway. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll see you all next week.